Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today I want to show you how to insert a lower battery tray insert and the battery hold down. If you see this, how this batteries hold down, it's hold down with the strap here, and when you're riding the car the battery is moving. Here, let's remove these terminals first, and what you're going to need is a 13 millimeters. And you're going to remove the negative first, and then you're going to remove the positive. Now, I want to show you what happens when this battery is not held down. If you look at this terminal, you can see how it's cracked of hitting so much, of going back and forth. And what can happen also, your terminals can break, the wires can break in here. And this is that was the negative, and you can see the positive is already beginning to crack right here. And one of the reasons being is because these batteries meant to be still, to stay still. And you can see I can even probably just pick it up. And what's happening is being held down by this bungee jumpy here, this thing right here, and this is not enough to hold a battery. So, and also remember, if you're working on a Honda, that's what I'm working on a Honda right now, and if you remove the battery, make sure you have the code for your radio. So now, I'm going to show you, this is what I bought. I went and bought it. I bought this is the hold down right here. I bought it from the junkyard for $5. It was a little rusty, and I cleaned it up, put some WD-40, I brushed it, and now it's working perfectly with this. And I also got the lower tray right here. You can see it says Honda. I got this from the junkyard. Now, and this is not like the other batteries that has these right here. In other cars and models, the battery has like a little space that you can put it in a bolt to hold it down. But on this Honda, you cannot use this. So now you just pull the battery. You can see nothing was holding it, nothing. And you're going to see right inside. So you can see it's bare, there's nothing in there. And that's where we're going to put the lower tray in. But I just want to show you that when we put the battery in, you see these hooks here on these hold down. What you want to do is, once you put the battery in, what are we going to do, because I probably may not be able to show you, it's going to go in like this, right? And you're going to take this little hook and you're going to put it in the bottom of the tray. And you're going to do the other one the same way. And while you inserting this, you want to just hold this down like this and just use your 10 millimeter wrench. So let's just put the battery in. Now first we're going to put, we got to put the lower cover, goes in. Put the lower cover, then you're going to put your battery. The battery goes right in. Make sure it's nice. Don't forget that the negative should be this way and the positive should be this way. And remember what I said. It's going to go in just like this. And you're going to put the hook right in the bottom. And you're going to push it. Make sure it goes in the bottom. And now put your hand, put it there to hold it, and just start screwing it just a little bit. The reason why you put in your hand in there, make sure the engine is not hot, because while you screwing this in, it'll turn and it will not be in the bottom. And you're going to do the same thing with this one. You're going to find the metal piece in the bottom, push it in. Make sure you push it in with your hand, holding it. Tie it like this first. You screw it in like this first. Then you use the 10mm wrench. And you're going to see the difference between having this lower tray and these hold downs and the battery. Screw it nice and tight. Hold it again. And tight. There you go. See that? It's nice and tight in there. Not that much movement. Then what you do is you put your positive terminal first. Make sure you screw it in with the 13mm. Take your negative, put it in. Make sure you screw it back in. Look at the difference. See how important it is just to having the lower tray and the hold down. Now the battery doesn't even move. The other way could probably fell through there. So this is how you put the lower battery tray insert and the battery hold down on a 2002 Honda Civic. Once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.